Hello everyone, I'm Michelle, the founder of the Netball Academy. Here with me, I have Ling, most commonly known as B. Okay, she is also one of our netball coach at the Netball Academy. Besides being a coach, she is a very highly accredited umpire, one of the only 3 IUAs in Singapore. So today, I'm glad to have her in a different capacity as a founder of Courtside.
Hi everybody, it's an honor to be here with Michelle, founder of TNA. Do guide me along and teach me your ways.
Sure. Okay, in our Netball Academy, players get to learn skills, strategies, play netball, or even like modified netball games. So why did you set up Courtside?
I just founded Courtside. Umpiring is my passion, and I started Courtside because I would like to use my experience to grow umpiring standards, enhance deeper understanding of rules for the netball community, and also future generations of the netball players and umpires.
So what are the services that you provide at Courtside?
We are actually the first umpiring academy in Singapore. We provide umpiring courses and workshops that are suitable for all age group and levels, ranging from rules introduction to practical umpiring to high performance umpiring. We also provide and coordinate umpires for corporate, clubs, schools, be it their internal events, leagues, carnivals, or matches.
So B, tell me, how does learning umpiring helps a player?
There are actually a lot of benefits to being like sound with the netball rules. You can have a deeper understanding of the basics, play the game with a better flow, understand the umpire's calls, which then allow you to react faster, and you also get to gain a different learning perspective from an umpire's point of view.
Wow, that will really help a player. For our viewers, we have something exciting coming up. We will be doing a series of rules in action with Courtside on our social medias. Be sure to tune in, subscribe to our channels, and click on the notification icon to receive updates. To find out more about Courtside and their courses, please find the link in our comment section below. Thank you, B, for joining us.
I hope you enjoy the rules in action videos.